Hi, my name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Kent Island, and today we're taking a look at this 2026 Sea Ray SLX 310 outboard with twin 400 V10 Mercuries. Normally we like to show these in their natural environment in the water, but this indoor show gives us a great opportunity to showcase the RGBW lighting on this boat. As an entertaining platform, all of the cool stuff isn't really easy to see in one showing. So this is a great way to show you just a little bit more about what this boat has to offer. With seating for everybody you can imagine, including the one person that wants to come along and be your new friend. There's plenty of room for everybody. You can grill, you've got a fridge, you've got a sink. There is no shortage of places to sit on this boat. She's got a vacuum flush head, lots and lots of bow seating. And of course, the music and the lights to make it a boogie night in the evening. So this is our 2026 Sea Ray SLX 310 outboard. Come see her in person. My name is Chris Whitman at MarineMax Kent Island.